Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix your computer is low on memory error in the most easiest way. To get started, simply search for View Advanced System Settings and open it. From here, click on Settings under Performance, then go to Advanced tab, click on Change, then uncheck this option. Now selecting the C drive, make sure you have check mark System Manage Sized and click on Set. Now it will ask you to restart your computer. Simply save the changes and click on Restart Now. After restart, search for gpedit.msc and click on it to open the local group policy editor. Now under Computer Configuration, expand Administrative Templates, then click on System, then go to Troubleshooting and Diagnostics. Here you will get the option Windows Resource Exhaustion Detection and Resolution. Click on it. Now in the right hand side you will get this setting. Simply double click on it. Set it to disabled. Save the change. Now close everything. Restart your computer and you are good to go. You won't get the error further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.